Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to review the Blackview R60, a reasonably priced but powerful wristwatch from Blackview, for you today. I'll provide the link in the description below, but I suggest watching this video to see whether the R60 is the appropriate fit for you before placing your order. The screen of the Blackview R60 is rectangular and has a diagonal of 1.96 inches. You don't have to be concerned about quality because the entire sensor area is covered by the AMOLED display. Additionally, the watch boasts an always-on display feature that keeps the screen visible at all times because of AMOLED technology. With a 410 by 502 pixel resolution, the images are clear and colorful. There are two buttons on the case's right side. While the second button offers an extended menu with sports modes and other settings, the first button turns the screen on or off, and returns to the main desktop. Remarkably, the Blackview R60 is one of the only reasonably priced smartwatches with a built-in speaker and microphone, enabling call and message functionality right from the watch. A strong processor powers the Blackview R60, ensuring dependable operation. An 800 mAh battery can power the watch for up to 10 days on a single charge. It takes about 2 hours to charge from 0% to 100%. Additionally, the watch is water resistant, with an IP68 rating, so you can swim, wash your hands, or even take it out in the rain without fear of breaking it. Through Bluetooth, the smartwatch and phone have a reliable connection that never drops. The app's main screen shows information like heart rate and calories burnt. In addition, you may personalize alerts, create alarms, and turn on the wrist-twisting screen wake-up feature. Swipes and presses are supported on the touch screen, which is the only way to operate the watch. Because of the sensor's excellent responsiveness, navigation is simple. Long pressing the home screen will let you select from a variety of watch face options. Additionally, you can download and configure on your watch a large range of watch faces from the app. Your blood oxygen level and pulse rate are measured by the very accurate sensors on the back of the case. Additionally, the watch has several sports modes to provide more precise calorie tracking. Furthermore, you may view the current weather and prediction right on your watch by sensing the weather feature with your smartphone. Up to 20 contacts from your smartphone can be stored on the Blackview R60, and you can make calls right from the watch without taking out your phone. Additionally, you may use the voice assistant on your phone right from the watch to communicate with it. Overall, the Blackview R60 smartwatch is functionally equivalent to other current smartwatches in its price range. Its excellent AMOLED display and the capability to make and take calls right from the watch, however, make it stand out. It functions smoothly and establishes a strong connection with your phone, making it a trustworthy daily companion. Our test of the Blackview R60 wristwatch is now complete. Your support in the form of likes, comments, and channel subscriptions would be greatly appreciated. Have a nice day and God bless you.